As you can hear, my air conditioner is running. And what we're going to do today is show you how I fixed it. It hauled off and ran all night long, not putting out any cool air. It did not bring the temperature down at all. And the next morning I was kind of upset about that. So I went outside and opened the window, and I had my wife to turn the thermostat on to see what I could find out outside. And the air conditioner was clicking, or the compressor unit on the outside was clicking, but it was not coming on. The fan on the inside of the house was definitely blowing, just not blowing cold air. So I'm going to show you what I did to fix it. Ready? Here we go. Before you do anything with your air conditioner, you need to turn off all the power. So I already fixed this in the past, but I needed to show you how to fix it. So here we go. Now that I'm inside the house, I come back in here to turn off all the power because you don't want to get shocked. So here we go. Let me turn on some light here. Of course, I'm going to turn the air conditioner down, or turn it to the off position. Now it's off. Now I'm going to turn off. The heater in the air conditioner is connected. I don't know if it's a big deal, but turn off all the power to the air conditioner and we'll be safe. So I'm going back outside now. Now back at the air conditioner, we want to come over here to this little box outside. Sometimes old houses like this, they paint over them and they're hard to open. Uh-oh. Well, we didn't need that. Take this ring here and pull this block out. There we go. Now, no power to the air conditioner. So I want to take this cover loose on the air conditioner and get to where I think the problem is. You see that booger right there? Now that is the problem, or was the problem. I fixed it already. That's a run capacitor, that big silver metal thing right there. Okay, so I'll tell you how. I went down to the local air conditioner. It was a Carrier air conditioner repair. I guess they install them too. And I asked them for another run capacitor like the one I got. Although it wasn't the same shape. I mean, it was sort of the same shape, but it was a fatter, shorter capacitor. And if you look right here, you see that staining going on? That's where the capacitor was leaking. I wished I had the old one to show you again, but I'm a nut about keeping things cleaned up. Oh, here we go. So here's the wiring diagram. And you got to make sure you know where those wires go. And I'm going to show you a little bit about that in a couple minutes. But on this one, it all comes from different places. We got 3 wires goes down there to it. You got a purple, a red, and a yellow. So we want to trace this wiring diagram for the purple, red, and yellow. We got the yellow coming off here going there to the H. We got the red coming from C, and then we got purple going to the fan, and that's how we figure it out. Now you see that strap that I got mounted the run capacitor on. It's not the original strap, because the original strap actually was for a skinnier capacitor. It was smaller in diameter. So I ended up getting some metal pipe hanger material and made a new strap for it. It's really easy, really cheap. Now I want to talk to you about some more safety. When handling this capacitor, taking the wires off of it and everything, be very careful. Wear insulated rubber gloves rated for this electricity. This capacitor may be dead, but you don't know, and it could electrocute you. It holds 440 volts. Although I don't have the old capacitor to show you how to do this, I pulled up this website here with a very good picture on it that shows how to take an insulated screwdriver and discharge the remaining power from the capacitor to make it safe. You don't want this thing where somebody can touch it. It'll give them a shock they'll might not survive. 440 volts. So you just take an insulated screwdriver and put it across the 2 connectors. So you want to touch terminal C and H together first, and you'll get a very loud pop and spark from that. Then you take your screwdriver and go over to terminal C and F. After you do that, it's fully discharged and it's safe to handle. So there you have it. One fixed AC, blowing cold, turning on and off like it's supposed to. I'm very happy with it. Well, there you have it. The whole thing cost $40. Looks like it's gonna rain. But anyways, thank you for tuning into my channel. Subscribe and hit the bell for more notifications. All right.